The daily schedule is the workhorse of the sheet and will be where you make most of your edits. It is also where there are a lot of formulas. I have added cell protection to show you a warning sign when you are about to edit a cell with a formula. Start here by going to the column with the day of the week that you'd like to add meals to. Let's take Monday as an example. Start by selecting the meal from the drop-down menu on the left, cell B11, where it starts. Let's select breakfast as an example. Next, select the food you are preparing to eat. Let's select bananas as an example. You can start to type in banana and then click on the pop-up option that pops up. It is important that you select the option from the drop-down and do not add your own custom options here because each drop-down option references data on the food data page. If the drop-down is missing a food option that you need, please refer to the Adding Data to the Food Data page tutorial. Once we select our food, we can enter the amount in grams that we prepared or not. That is optional. More importantly, add the amount you've eaten in grams on the appropriate column on the right. Remember, your column will be highlighted in the same color as your name up in cells B2 and B3. It is important to enter the data in the correct place. For reference, 1 pound is about 454 grams, but I recommend picking up a food scale on Amazon or at your local store. Lastly, the cells in row 2 contain formulas to pull in your BMR, or basal metabolic rate, which is the amount of calories you burn by just being alive. This information is calculated automatically for you based on the weight tracker page information. Underneath those two cells, however, you could add any additional calories you've burned by doing exercise or other activities that you've tracked using other means. This is useful because it helps the fitness tracker and weekly review display more accurate progress information. The columns starting in D2 and continuing every 3 columns throughout the page will show you the macro breakdown for each day.